So in this video, I will demonstrate to you, or I will explain to you the GEMDAS rule. When we say GEMDAS rule, it gives the order of operations to be followed to arrive at the answer. In GEMDAS rule, the GEMDAS stands for G, which means grouping, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, and S is subtraction. So that's the order of operations in GEMDAS. First, the G in grouping. To apply the grouping or to solve or to use the grouping, simplify expressions inside the parentheses first. Then, if there are pairs of parentheses within parentheses, the innermost parentheses should be removed first. Next, after you done the grouping, proceed to exponent. So in exponent, the powers indicated by the exponents should be simplified before doing the four arithmetic operations. So after you done or after you solve the exponent, do the multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. Again, start from the left going to right. So the multiplication, then after that, the division. Then after the division, do the addition or subtraction, again as they occur from left to right. Okay, example, using the GEMDAS rule. So if we have 2 cubed times the parentheses, open parentheses, 6 plus 4 times the open parentheses, 8 minus 6, then minus 14 divided by 7 times 3. Okay, using the GEMDAS rule, first, remove the inner parentheses and simplify the 2 cubed. So here, we have an inner parenthesis here, which is 8 minus 6. So 2 cubed times the open parenthesis, 6 plus 4 times, simplify the inner parenthesis. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Then copy the minus 14. Then divided by 7 times 3. Next, again, grouping the outer parentheses. So simplify the 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8 times GEMDAS grouping, then exponent. Here in our grouping, there is no exponent given here. So let's proceed after the exponent, the multiplication. Let's start from the left going to right. So copy the 6, then multiply the 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8 minus. So after the multiplication, ayan, divide. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then times 3. Then again, copy the 8 times, simplify again inside the parentheses. So MDAS or the GEMDAS, we have multiplication. Multiplication. Apply the multiplication first. So multiply 2 times 3. We have 6. Then again, grouping. Simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. We have only 2 operations left, the addition and subtraction. So first, using the GEMDAS rule, we need to use, or I mean, Get the sum of 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Then minus 6. So 8 times 14 minus 6 is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So this is now the final answer, or the answer, which is 64, using the GEMDAS rule. Another example, if we have 5 times, open parenthesis, 7 minus 3, close parenthesis, minus 2 to the 4th power. Okay. Again, using the GEMDAS rule, first, the grouping, or simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. So 5 times 7 minus 3 is 4. Then minus, after the grouping, exponent. So 2 to the 4th power is 16. Next, after the exponent, multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20 minus 16. Since we have no addition here, let's proceed to subtraction. So 20 minus 16 is 4. So this is now the final answer using the GEMDAS rule. 4. Next, another example. Let's try another example. 4 times 6 plus plus 10 raised to 4, or I mean 10 to the 4th power times 4. Again, we apply the GEMDAS rule. Apply the GEMDAS rule. Since there's no grouping, let's proceed to exponent. Okay, 4 times 6, then plus, 10 to the 4th power is 10,000, because you multiply 10 4 times, or multiply 10 by itself 4 times. So we have 10,000 times 4. Next, again, simplify. Since we have two multiplication operation here, so let's start from the left, then going to the right. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus, then 10,000 times 4 is 40,000. And only addition operation left, so add and get the sum. 24 plus 40,000 is 40,024. This is now the correct answer using the GEMDAS rule. Next, last example. If we have 50 times, plus, open parenthesis, 3 squared minus 5, close parenthesis, times 2 minus 5. Okay, GEMDAS rule. So first is the grouping. Now remove the inner parenthesis. So 3 squared minus 5. So 3 squared is 9. Then minus 5 times 2 minus 5. Then 50 plus, or simplify inside the parentheses. So 9 minus 5, we have 4 times 2 minus 5. Next, after grouping, we have exponent. Since we've done an exponent, let's proceed in multiplication. So 50 plus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 5. We've done in multiplication and only 2 operations left. We have addition and subtraction. So in GEMDAS, we use the addition first, or simplify the addition first. So 50 plus 8, we have 58 minus 5. And the last step is subtract. So 58 minus 5, we have 53. So that's the final answer. So that's the end of my blog about the GEMDAS rule, and I hope that you've learned a lot. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, JNix_Mathematics, for more videos and informations to learn about mathematics.